Okay, well, we'll give you a shot from our Thanksgiving Lakeside camp here. Met up with my friends Lindsay and Josh. Lindsay's from Alaska, Josh is from Washington. They're down here enjoying the nice warm weather. We're camped right on this lake here. And it is Thanksgiving Day. So I grilled up some chicken. We're gonna do a little potluck. Got a campfire going over here. Let's go check it out. Here's our spread here. Got a little salad, the grilled chicken. Oh yeah. Some guacamole. Lindsay made up some mashed potatoes. And we're gonna sit back and enjoy.
And I'm like, I'm never sure, is it like really good or
Happy Thanksgiving, everyone.
Happy Thanksgiving.
She's like, where's my food? We are parked right on this hillside here, perched up above this lake. It's been a very beautiful spot to be hanging out for the last week or so. Probably stick around for another week. It's just been gorgeous. Clear blue skies, that warm sunshine. Tonight is probably going to be a campfire night. A little rock fire pit was here, warming up the shower jugs in the sun. I think I'm going to try to squeeze in a shower this afternoon. And yeah, I'm just parked right up here. Got the bikes out, been using those to run into the little small town we're near to get some supplies and just do some exploring. This is where we be. A nice little path here going down to the lake's edge. Down there the other day we saw an otter swimming around. Got a glimpse of a coyote running along this hillside. There are donkeys in the area as well. Wild donkeys, burros. And what else did we see here? Tarantula. That's about the extent of the wildlife we've been seeing. Quite a bit of bird life as well. There's a big heron down here I've been trying to get a shot of, but he always seems to fly away just as I'm trying to get a shot of him. Going in the water hogs.
You can go check if you want.
Here, hubbies. Come on. Hey, what's up?
it? You're gonna go explore now. Okay, I'm out of here. What can I go take a whiz on?
Well, I hope you're all enjoying the video so far. I wanted to take the remaining minutes of this video just to sit down and communicate with you guys. It's been a little while since I've done that. To be totally honest with you, I just have not been feeling my best the last few weeks or so. And I feel like I'm kind of coming around now, so I really need to just embrace that and take the opportunity to communicate and share with y'all, let you know what's been going on, how it's going, and what's to come. A lot of you know we acquired Hobbs here. This was Kelly's mom's dog that we kind of adopted, rescued. He was rescued by Kelly's mom. He is a sweetheart. He can be so mellow, so loving, and just a joy to be around. But he has another side to him, and it can be very, very challenging to deal with and be around. It makes it hard to be around other people, so that's been a big challenge, like you saw in the video. We couldn't have Hobbs out with Josh's dog around. He's a little butthead with other dogs sometimes. Usually good with people, but even with people he can be not pleasant, so that's been challenging. Fortunately, most of the time we're out boondocked, pretty much in the middle of nowhere with no one around, and when we're in that situation, he's great. He just really can be stress-free and enjoy himself. Feels like he really enjoying getting out on walks. So many smells, new smells at each camp, so he's just been a joy. We love him very much. He is 13. This breed is usually, their expectancy is around 15 years, so he's in his golden years, and we just really give him the best last few years of his life, so that's what we're doing. As challenging as it's been. What else is going on? I've been getting a lot of questions if I'm going to do quartzite this coming year, this winter, and I don't think I am. There's a lot of positive things about quartzite. I made a video about it last year. I think I'm going to make another video about quartzite this year that's going to be reasons why not to go to quartzite. My previous one was why so many people go to quartzite. There's just a lot of people there. That's why I'm going to avoid it this year. It is a place for so many people to reconnect after, the summer of travel. It's a tradition for so many people, and it has been for me, but I'm going to take a year off this year. Another question I've been getting if I'm going to do another meetup. The last few years I've done a meetup for my subscribers and viewers, and they've been awesome, every one I've done. But I just don't think I'm up for it this year. Those are very challenging for me, as fulfilling as they are, to meet all of you and have all of you guys get to connect and make friendships out of it. It's just very challenging for me. I am an introvert. I have extreme social anxiety, which I do experience at the meetups, but I just try to manage it as best I can. And I just don't think I'm up for it this year, so my apologies. I know a lot of you are looking forward to it again and for the first time, so but I'll keep you posted. I will be in the Southwest most of the winter, and if you see me out in the wild, please feel free to say hello. I just won't be doing an official meetup. What else is going on? I'm really going to try to up my video content. Like I said, guys, I haven't been feeling the best, but I'm feeling better, and I'm really going to try to embrace just posting more videos. I'm going to try to bring more informational type videos where I'm talking about basically answering a lot of your questions I get about the type of camping gear that I use, what's working out best for me, what hasn't worked. Just information that can be helpful for people that are trying to live a similar lifestyle, that type of thing. So you can look forward to that. Seasonal job type stuff, how I plan my, travels throughout the year and find camps. All questions that I get very frequently. And I just feel like if I just put it, rather than answering comments, just make a video about it so it's there for the viewer to find. I can refer people to those videos. So you can look forward to that. I'm going to try to do frequent, shorter videos around the 10-minute mark, and then still once a week a longer form video, 20 minutes plus. I know a lot of you enjoy the longer ones. So that's what I have kicking around in my head. I'm going to really try to make that happen from here on out, from this video on, especially through the holiday season. I know the holiday season for me is usually filled with stress and anxiety. I don't know why. It's self-imposed. It's a wonderful time of the year for so many people, and I just get all freaked out. And I know it's just a very down time for a lot of people. A lot of folks get real depressed, and it's just a grit and bear it to get through it. So I'd really like to provide extra content for people that just need a little escape from that. I always get comments, people saying that my videos are calming and they feel at peace when they're done watching them, and that's all I could ever ask for in life. I've always been the type of person that has a creative side since I was very young, and if I can create and produce something and share it with others and they get just an ounce of positivity or enjoyment out of it, like, that is huge for me. It's not only worth it, but it is extraordinarily huge for me. So again, I just appreciate all of you that just keep coming back to my videos, that leave positive comments, and share with me that you've enjoyed the videos. That establishes the connection, and that keeps me wanting to keep doing this. So I really appreciate you that have been along since the beginning. All of you folks that have joined recently and continue to come in and find my videos, just, you're appreciated big time. And I'm thinking of you through this holiday season. I just want to end this with wishing my mother a very, very happy birthday. Mom, I love you so much. I wish I could have been there last night for your birthday dinner. It looked really special. I appreciate you guys sharing a little video clip with me. And I'll be seeing you soon for the holidays. Everyone else, love you guys too, and we'll see you soon. Take care. Peace.